Hello, good evening, friends. We need to think on our feet and co create with spirit. There has been money losses, but all is not lost. We are going to get the recognition that we deserve. At this time, we need to let go of stress and anxiety. We must relax and rest at this time. What you are asking for will happen soon in a very happy way. You're going to get money or property through an inheritance, a winning, or a windfall. And this is going to bring happiness into your home. A forgotten dream is going to resurface and you must pursue it. You will be taken care of in difficult times. Trust your higher self, trust your inner, your intuition. You must stay in the here and now. You have walked away from things that served you in the past but no longer serves you, and the spirit is saying you turned your back, and knowing there was nothing more you could do about the situation, and it is time now to heal. You need to exercise more and be careful. Do not take risks and stay open hearted and rational. You must drink more water or eat more fruits. This will bring you happiness and well-being to your body. There is speedy news or a situation that's coming to you soon. You must embrace calm and clarity and let your intuition guide you. They say you are going to get increase in material wealth and spiritual growth. And this is overall good news for you and everyone and everything around you. Life is speeding up, and keep believing in yourself. You've set your boundaries, now move forward with that. And your loved ones say, uplift your thoughts. You've earned all your stripes. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.